Hearty welcome to Alan's Tutorials, English literature classes for the students of class 9 and 10 based on the ICSE pattern. For the immediate preparation of your board and other exams, class is taken by Jose Joseph, Little Flower School, Salempur. An Angel in Disguise. It is written by Timothy C. Arthur. He was born in the year 1809 and called to his eternal life in the year 1885. Let us begin our class by reading a quotation written by him. It is the easiest thing in the world to go to astray, but always difficult to return. Very difficult to go astray, but very difficult to return. Let us understand this author. Who was Timothy C. Arthur? He was the 19th century American author born in New York on 6th June 1809. He was attracted by literature, so spent much time in reading and writing. He contributed greatly to the social and moral fabric of his time. He died in Philadelphia, US on 6th March 1885. In this present story, it is a story of an invalid girl called Maggie who was abandoned by everybody after her mother's death. She was taken care by a childless couple. It tells how she brought happiness and joy in the life of this particular couple who adopted her. You can see the beautiful portrait of our Timothy C. Arthur. What are the ideas that you will get from this one? Look at this image. You will find a mother is nursing a sick child. The main characters of this story, An Angel in Disguise, are Maggie, the orphan girl, Joe Thompson, and Jane Thompson, who adopted Maggie. And apart from these three major characters, there are some minor characters also. That is Maggie's mother, John and Kate, Farmer Jones and Mrs. Ellis. These are the minor characters. The title of the story, it is very appropriate. The plot revolves around Maggie. Maggie acts like an angel. Of course, she is a bedridden child. She becomes the source of joy and happiness to the family of Joe Thompson and Jane Thompson. Look at this beautiful image. Our angel is always with us to take care of us. Now let us understand the plot development of this particular story. A poor woman dies of intoxication, leaving behind three children, John, Kate and Maggie. John and Kate were taken in by two families in the village. Maggie, the youngest daughter, sick and invalid, is left alone. Maggie is taken by Mr. Thompson for a night to be sent to the poorhouse in the next day. Poorhouse means orphanage. Mrs. Thompson, after initial indifference, grew fond of the child Maggie. Maggie turned out to be an angel in disguise in the life of the childless couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joe Thompson. Now let us focus our attention on the summary of this beautiful short story. The story basically is about a poor, miserable and wretched child who turns out to be an angel for Thompson family. A poor woman who is hated throughout her life by almost all the people of the village is now surrounded by the same people. When she dies in a drunken state on the threshold of her own house, she dies in front of her three children, who included two daughters and a son. The village people take pity on these children. The boy was taken in by a farmer, and Katie is taken away by Mrs. Ellis. The youngest child, Maggie, who is disabled and bedridden, is left alone because nobody is ready to take her in that condition. Mr. Thompson, the wheelwright, who decides to take her home so that he can take her to the poorhouse the next day, as he knows his wife would not like her to stay at home forever or accept her. When he carries her in his arms and reaches home, his wife, Mrs. Thompson, becomes angry and her face is in a flame. She bursts out for bringing that sick brat into her house. Joe begs her to tolerate Maggie for a single day. He asks her to look at her kindly and speak to her gently. He reminds her of Maggie's dead mother and of the sorrow and loneliness Maggie would be having in future. When Joe goes out for work, Mrs. Thompson is all alone with Maggie the whole day. Her attitude towards Maggie changes and slowly she becomes fond of her. Mr. Thompson notices this change and realizes that it has been dark, cold, and miserable in his house for a long time because his wife had nothing to love and care for, which was the reason for becoming her irritable, ill tempered, and self afflicting. Now, the sweetness of that sick child is described as honey to her soul. She carries her in her heart as well as in her arms. It is a precious burden for her. She is an angel in her house disguised as a sick and helpless child. An angel in disguise, theme of this particular story. There are two central themes where we need to focus our attention: selfishness versus selflessness, and love as Redeemer. Love has the power to cure the sickness of the mind. Let us understand the critical remarks of this particular short story. The writer gives status of angel to Maggie. Maggie is the angel. Of course, she is disguised as a sick, helpless child. She filled the vacuum in the life of a couple, that is Johnson family. Thompson as an angel of God in the life of Maggie. Thus, two angels we will find. Joe Thompson becomes the angel for our Maggie, and Maggie becomes the angel for Joe Thompson's family.